welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be, hi Zai, it's gonna be all about something that all busy moms can appreciate, a no-bake, easy, healthy snack recipe for your infant or toddler using a star ingredient from one of my favorite brands, Happy Family Organics. This is their baby oatmeal cereal. We're gonna be making something super quick and super easy, so let's get to it. So as a busy mom, like, I love things that require literally no oven, no like crazy mixing, no crazy ingredients. So this is simple. You're gonna be using the baby oatmeal cereal from Happy Family Organics. I love using this for Zion because it's fortified with iron, and that's really important in an infant and a toddler's diet because iron deficiencies are extremely common. So I love getting anything that's fortified with iron, and this cereal is amazing. So we're going to take a cup and 1/4 of that baby oatmeal and go ahead and pour it inside your bowl. And if you can hear my son in the background, his dad is trying to keep him entertained while I do this quick recipe. So we add a cup and 1/4 of oatmeal to our bowl right here. So we're gonna take a 1/2 cup of almond butter, or you can use peanut butter. We're gonna use almond butter because Zion has a peanut allergy, so we don't use peanut butter in our house. And it's best to use creamy almond butter for this. You don't want to use a crunchy one because we're making little oat bites. So you want it to be easy for them to chew and eat. And I'm just coming at you real today. This is the middle of the day for me. I don't have any makeup on today. I haven't brushed my teeth. I want to make Zion a quick snack that he can eat right now and that he can also eat throughout the week. So I wanted to do this quick little video real quick, what I've been making for him. Since he was about, honestly, 8 months old, and he's 15 months now, he still likes these. So these are a hit for infants and toddlers, for all you moms who have kids of different age groups. If you have a little infant, if you have, a 3-year-old, these definitely will work for you. Next, you're going to take some yogurt and just go ahead and add that in. You're going to be adding what would be in a single serve amount of yogurt that you would give to a little kid. So basically I'm just using the last of the yogurt that I have. I like to finish things in my refrigerator and pantry, so that's also why I was making this today. Just wanted to finish the yogurt we had. This is definitely a single serving size of yogurt. So the yogurt with the oatmeal is just so many health benefits that you're providing in combination with the fortified oatmeal, the almond butter, all of it's just a bunch of goodness together. Then I'm going to take some cinnamon. You literally just do a teaspoon, a dash, what be you, and just bam, cinnamon bay. Add that in here, okay? So just stir everything together. And if you want this to be sweeter, you can go ahead and add some kind of sweetener to it, like a maple syrup, blackstrap molasses, or some honey. Hi Zai Zai! And it's actually gonna be really easier too if you just start to mix it with your hands. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get in here and mix with my hands. Obviously make sure your hands are clean. And you'll feel it to start to get nice and thick. And that's when you can get ready to start to roll them out into little 1-inch balls. So these are gonna be the size of a grape. So it's easy for a toddler to eat, won't pose a choking hazard. If you feel like your toddler or your little might choke on these, you can go ahead and mush it to make it less of a ball shape, and maybe just cut it in half for them and just present it that way. So this is the consistency you should have right now. It should be a big lump thing, like a cookie dough texture, really creamy, thick. So we're gonna go ahead and roll these into the little balls. Super easy. And they're ready to serve just like that. You'll refrigerate them to store them, but you can immediately serve them to your little and give them a nice snack that they're gonna enjoy eating. So just little shapes like these. Zai, do you wanna have one? Wanna have a snack? Want one?